Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I think one of the most refreshing things is a glass of water with a squeeze of lemon. And to make it even more refreshing, make it sparkling. This is the Spindrift sparkling water, and this has real squeezed lemon in it. And that is all that is in this sparkling water and lemon juice. And it is so delicious. It is super refreshing, especially nice and cold on a hot day. This just really quenches your thirst. I love that you can really taste that this is natural squeezed lemon juice. It has a really pronounced, nice lemon flavor, and it is just the perfect little sip. So it is great to drink just straight out of the can or over some ice, even add maybe a little bit more citrus to it, or mix it with your favorite fruit juice for a little spritzer. It is really delicious and pleasant to drink. So if you're looking for a refreshing, sparkling water, then definitely check out this Spindrift. It is super refreshing and the perfect thing on a hot day. And that is my point of view.